TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We have the NASDAQ futures up 277, S&P futures up 90. Now, we had the S&P futures up limit today, folks, which is 130. Bottom line, you back down a bit. We back down into this, let's see what we hit here. Okay. That being said, my take is that we're going higher today. You back down. Okay, so we hit the 130 and we just back down to 28.25 when the high out here was 28.79. Right now, you're up 95. Bottom line is that if you trade the equity futures, the number you want to watch inside the equity futures, $280.40 inside the SPY. Not the futures, inside the SPY. What that number, folks, is we're 284.65 right now. That number is the highs of the lows of 2018. It looks to me like this baby's going to hold at this particular point, and then we'll find out, is this going to be a monster consolidation? Because two different things end up happening. If that holds, that's almost at the top of a different range. So if it does hold on price, the bottom line is that that could be basically saying, okay, you got a 20% hit. That's going to be consolidation for a long period of time. If we go higher and the volume contracts way too much, then I suspect what will happen is that we'll go down to the bottom of 2018, which is 233, and yesterday we hit 273. So that would say that the damage isn't over yet. Bottom line, we'll get a lot more information of how this bounce comes in. Not the first bounce, meaning going up, it'll be as you pull back on the second bounce. But it looks to me like the market's set. Why? Because we had the 10-year, the 30-year finished their ABC structures on the way up on price, down on yield. That is saying that the bond market is going to pull back a bit. If the bond market's going to pull back a bit, what you're going to have the perception that the S&Ps can basically go higher. And as those S&Ps go higher, if we get volume behind the move higher, and then we pull back and we start pulling back with lighter volume, that's going to set up a monster consolidation. That's how that thing shakes out. King dollar out here. King dollar already broke the 95 level, did it with volume. You're back inside that today. What I expect King dollar is building cause now to get down to the 88 level. Stay right there, folks. I'm Mr. Larry Pesavento coming up, growling and prowling with you. To recap out here, we have the NASDAQ futures up 288, the S&P's up 97. Stay right there. Larry's coming right up.